Okay, guys, this is one of the best strategies that never failed me for many years now. I have been using it for many years now, and it has never failed. Do you understand? So today, let me reveal to you the secret behind this particular strategy I always use on volatility 10 index. Do you understand? This is what a gold mine. It never failed for many years. So let me show you how to trade volatility 10 index without fear of blowing your account. You understand? All right, now let's get back to the chart so that I will show you how to make use of this simple strategy and record consistent profit trading volatility 10 index. All right, here is what our chart. As you can see, this is the current positions. Yeah, what the current positions on the trade now, as you can see on my screen now. As you can see on my screen, yeah, what the current positions I've taken. Are you seeing it? Yeah, what the current positions that are reading. Right now, this is how the strategy works. This is just a simple strategy with high level of what accuracy. Now, this is the volatility 10 index on 1 hour time frame. Do you understand? So as usual, any strategy I'm showing you, always pay attention to the pair and the time frame. Do you understand? So this is what volatility 10 index on 1 hour time frame. Now let me show you. Listen, for about 3 months back, I have been generating a lot of profit just with this simple setup. With this what? Simple setup. You understand? Now let me show you how I've been doing this, recording consistent profit on volatility 10 index on 1 hour time frame. Now let me show you how I've been recording consistent profit. Now this is on my screen. Now you will see two lines, the green line and the red line. Now this is how the strategy works. This is how the strategy works. Once the candlestick closes above the green line, once the candlestick closes above the green line, guys, from down it passes the red and closes above the green line. That is what a clear buy signal. Do you understand? It is what a clear buy signal. So, and where your stop loss should be, the red line when you are buying, buying, the red line serve as a what? Stop loss. The position where the red line is your stop loss. That's why you need to do what? Place your stop loss. So the red line serve as a what? Stop loss. And the closing of what? The closing of candlestick above the green line marks a clear buy signal. Do you understand? All right, so on this case now, on this particular case, you make your entry at this point where the candlestick closes above the green line, and your stop loss should be at the red line. Your stop loss should be at the red line. The red line serve as your stop loss. Do you understand? All right, so on my screen now, this is what a huge profit. As you can see, this is what a huge profit. Look at it. See the point of entry here, and this is you see the market is continual buying. It's continual what? Buying. This is what a buy signal. Do you understand? This is what a buy signal. Now, once the candlestick crosses the red line and closes below the red line, this is what a clear sell signal. Do you understand? So my screen now at this point, look at this point here. You see the bearish candle closes below the red line. So this is what a clear sell signal. This is what a clear sell signal. Look at it. See where the candlestick closes below the red line. This is what a clear sell signal. Then when you are selling, your stop loss should be at the green line. The green line will serve as your what stop loss when you are selling. Do you understand? All right. So as you can see, this is what a huge profit. As you can see, is what a huge profit. Look at it from this point of entry. Look at the point of entry, and this is where this is what a huge profit. Do you understand? As easy as that. Now this is a simple strategy. Do you understand? This is what a simple strategy. Don't forget this is optimerfx where profitable strategies are what shared. All right, now let's proceed. Now from this point now, the candlestick closes above the green line, which is signify what? A clear buy signal. A clear what? A clear buy signal. Look at the point where the candlestick closes above the green line. So that is the point where you need to do what? Make your buy entry. This is what? A clear buy entry. Do you understand? A clear buy entry. And your stop loss, because you are buying, your stop loss should be below at the point where the red line is. You understand? At the point where what? The red line is. That is where your stop loss should be when you are buying. Do you understand? All right. So let's proceed. As you can see, this is what a huge profit. As easy as that. Now at this point, the candlestick crosses the red line, signifying a sell signal. Do you understand? A sell what? A sell signal. So this is the point where the candlestick crosses what? Crosses the red line. So this is what a confirmed sell signal. So you sell from that point. Your stop loss, because you are selling, your stop loss should be at the what? The green line. This is what? As easy as that. Straightforward strategy, and you will be recording massive profit. This is all I do on optimerfx, sharing to you guys profitable strategies. Do you understand? So for many months now, I have been following this particular movement and the recording massive profits. Now the candlestick crosses the red line. The candlestick crosses the red line, signifying a sell signal. So this is what a sell signal from this point, and your stop loss should be at the green line. As easy as that, and you record your massive profits. Now the candlestick crosses above the green line. The candlestick crosses above the green line. So this is what a clear buy signal. Look at the point where the crossing occur. This is what a clear what? Buy signal. So you buy at this point, and your stop loss should be at what? At the red line. Do you understand? As easy as that. Do you understand? You see, I have made how many trades? About 7 or 8 trades. Do you understand? As easy as that, and all of them are profitable. All of them are what? Profitable. As easy as that. On volatility 10 index 1 hour time frame. As easy as that. Do you understand? So that is it. So as you can see, the market is still buying. The market is still what? It's still buying. You see my position. You see my position. So the market is still what? Buying. Do you understand? So this is what? A clear, straightforward strategy for you to make massive profit trading volatility 10 index on 1 hour time frame. Do you understand? All right, now let me show you how to set up this indicator. Let me show you how to set up this indicator. Pay attention. Let me show you how to set up the indicator. All right. The indicator here is envelope indicator. The indicator here is what? Envelope indicator. Envelopes indicator. So here what the settings for the envelopes indicator. Here what the settings for the envelopes indicator. The period is 85, shift 0, deviation 0.100, methods exponential, apply to close. Now here what the upper band and the lower band. The upper band, the color is the upper band, the color is green, and the lower band, the color is red. So this is all you need. You need only one indicator, envelopes indicator, to record massive profit, trading, volatility, 10 index on 1 hour time frame. So once you are done setting up the indicators, you click done to understand, and that is all you need to do what to record their massive profit, trading, volatility, 10 index on 1 hour time frame. All right, this is optimerfx, where profitable strategies are shared. Do you understand? Now a lot of people have been messaging me, asking me about optimerfx trading robots. The point is that a lot of work has been going on with optimal trading robots. So the level of profitability it generates is not what I expected. It's below my expectation. So that is the reason why I have not made it available to the public for use. Do you understand? So a lot of work is still going on with optimal FX trading robots. Do you understand? All right, that's all you need to do. What to record massive profit, trading, volatility, 10 index on 1 hour time frame. Thank you.